Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can create your own AI influencer with Higgsfield, how the whole process works, and what are some important things for you to know. Now, it's very simple. In the moment when you're going to be in Higgsfield, there you're going to find an AI influencer, and when you're going to be here, this is something that I created. I like human, female, African, brown, slim, and this is what was generated. Now on the left side you will be able to see someone who was created as this kind of like examples, and I'm going to click here, create a new. Now what I can do, I'm going to click that I want to have human, but if you want to, you can have like crocodile, elf, or like any other things here. Then we're gonna go to next things, and you're gonna have the gender right here. I'm going to click female, and then we're gonna have the origin base, and you can choose. I'm going to pick Asian right now. Then skin color, you can again change that, or you can choose from here. And then you're gonna have the eye color, so you can have like green, purple, black, brown, blue, and I'm going to leave it like it is. Skin condition, this is like another thing that you can change. So you have options to have like pigmentation, scar. So I'm going to have like pigmentation there. We're gonna see how it's going to look like. And then age, let's say I'm going to have adult. And body type, let's say I'm going to have slim. And we don't want to have a robotic arm. So you can also change like various arms here, and also the style, like the hair. Let's say I want to have a long hair. And then accessories, and this is something that you can have right now. So that's for the builder. Now what you can also do, you're gonna have a prompt here. So with ChatGPT, let's say you can create your own prompt. So you will write here that I want to have this kind of thing, this kind of a person doing this in a beach, whatever, right? Now I can click here, generate influencer, and we're just gonna have to wait for it. Okay, now it goes. You just have to like click more times for it to be like done. And now we're just gonna wait until it's going to generate for you. Now under that, while it's generating, what you can actually like see here, so you can download it and like start posting it, and it looks like very good. Then you have option to you can use credits for like regeneration, but let's say that I want to use that. So while this is going to be creating, okay, I can try free here, and I can choose recreate any motion, right? So we have the picture right here, and where we are right here, we are in a video, and we are not in create video, we are in motion control, and we have the picture from the AI influencer that was generated in the motion control. You can also like click right here, and then you can have the quality. So we got like 310 left, and say scene control mode, that choose where the background should come from, the character image or the motion video, and we want to have it from image, right? And we're gonna generate it. So as you can see, it's clean 2.6 right here. It's doing for like 16 seconds. And of course is that when you're gonna have like the motion library, you're gonna have like plenty of motion library that you can choose it from. And we can even choose this one right here, right? And I don't know how it's going to look like, but it's in Quora right now. So that's for the motion control. And now the AI influencer is being generated still. And look at that. Oh, sorry, it got deleted. So this is sometimes that can happen, right? In the moment when you're gonna have your AI influencer is good, but the one that was created, oh, we have it. Yeah, it was generated. I didn't know that it's going to do it like that for me, but here we go, right? So it generated for me, and the same thing I can click here like try free. I felt it's going to be more Asian, but you know, like it is what it is. So then you can like generate it again if you want to. And now let's check the motion control, how the video actually like looks like. And of course you can like choose here the motion library, like the various ones. And then you can change also like different, like let's say we want to have an elf. And then what you're gonna do is like you can also do, and you can like regenerate it. You can like save as influencer cover. Okay, we're gonna have it like on left side, and then you can like add in on Banana Pro. So you can like then go to images, create image, and then you can like generate the person and put it like to different positions on a beach. And these are the things that you can also do, which is like based on what you actually want, right? And so I generated it right now, and let's see how it's going to look like. I mean, it's like, it's very good. Damn, it's like if I would see it randomly on the internet. Okay, so like this is completely off. But this first one, I mean, yeah, like the people in a bag, so you would have to have something like where there are no people. But it's like, it's very good. I don't know how much it would cost because I got the free ones right now that I can generate. But it's like, it's not bad at all.
Hey, little.
Yeah, so it's like insane stuff. This is why I don't use social media, by the way, and why I don't come there often, because like you don't even know what is fake and what is not. And I don't know how much things I read that was like by bots. I don't know how many things I watched that wasn't even real and it was like generated. Mamma mia, insane times right now are coming. Insane times.